sharing your Workspace content. Here we are in my JSTOR Workspace. My AHA 101 folder is a parent folder with 5 subfolders in it. I can share the content I have in this folder with others at my institution by clicking on the Share button from the Overflow menu after the folder name. This will generate a share link. I can also share from within that folder. I will click on that folder to open it. When I use a link to share a folder, I can still continue to add to that folder. Here within this folder, my 5 subfolders are all visible to me. What I have in these 5 subfolders of content is enough to get my students started as I continue to develop my course. When I share this parent folder with a link, my students can use it to access course content all semester, no matter how much I add to this content. I will choose the Share button at the top of the page. A pop-up box appears, telling me that sharing AHA 101 will also share subfolders as well as any folder descriptions or notes I have added. Because I'm a member of 2 institutions, like an adjunct instructor might be, I see in my pop-up box the option to choose which one I want to share this specific content with. I will choose to share with both my institutions by selecting the box next to each of their names. I will click on the Copy Link button and can now paste that link anywhere, like a learning management system, email, or a document. This link remains the same even if I rename any of these folders, add or remove content from this parent folder, or turn link sharing off and on again by clicking on the Turn Off Link Sharing button.